Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastav and I am a faculty of US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur. Students, today we are going to discuss class 6, second chapter from the book Honeysuckle. This is your second chapter and the title is How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. So before we start the chapter, you may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. You may also know something about her, how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. So, students, dog and wolves belong to the same family. Rather, dogs have evolved from wolves. Another fact is that over the centuries, wild animals have been mastered and tamed by man. This story informs us how a dog changed to a tamed animal. So, let's read our next chapter. Our this chapter, that is how the dog found himself a new master. First of all, we will read our first para, that is, dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. So, ill pleased means old fashioned way of saying not happy. And what is the meaning of freedom? Freedom means liberty without any constraints. Wandering means to move here and there aimlessly. So, students, dogs and wolves are closely related family, and there were times when dogs used to wander and live freely just like wolves without any restrictions or constraints. Once such a dog was born who was sick of finding food for himself and was unable to move freely in search of food. He would feel tired and was scared of healthier and stronger beings. Our next para. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. And he set out to find such a master. So, what happened next? What is the meaning of master here? Master means owner or ruler. So, after thinking repeatedly, he decided to work as a helper to someone who was the strongest or the most powerful on this earth, just because he wanted one saver or owner for him. So, he started searching for the stronger one. Next para is, he walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master wolf? I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. Kinsman means a relative, and the meaning of fierce is frightening. So, after a long walk and search, he met one of his relatives. This relative was a wolf who was not only strong but also had a frightening look. It looks very dangerous also. He asked the dog where he was going. The dog replied that he was looking for a master and if the wolf would like to be the one. The wolf agreed and the two went on together. Next para is, they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. "What has come over you, master?" he asked. "What has frightened you so? Can't you see there is a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me?" Darted means moved quickly, and sniffed drop air audibly through the nose to detect something, as mostly animals do this. So students, after walking a long distance, suddenly the wolf sniffed, moved quickly and went deeper into the forest. At that time he was detecting something and was trying to hide himself. And after watching this, the dog was very surprised, and the dog was unable to understand this behavior. So he asked his master that what was affecting him. Then the wolf told him that there was a bear who might eat both of them. Paragraph 5. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to do his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let's go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow, then we can both eat our fill." So, what happened next? After walking some distance, they noticed a group of cows. When the dog realized that the bear was stronger than the wolf, so the dog that time changed his mind. He left the wolf and turned to the bear. He asked him to be his master. The bear was very happy to hear this, and the bear agreed to it easily. He suggested him to search for a herd of cows so that he could kill a cow and they will get food for fill their stomach. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. What happened next now? After walking some distance, they noticed a group of cows, but as they tried to approach them, they were stopped by a horrible noise. So, they heard a very horrible noise that was made by cows. They were moving around and they were running here and there because of any kind of fear. The cows were moving around and they were running here and there because of fear. Next para is, the bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. "Now, why did I have to come here?" said he to the dog. "It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts." "The lion? Who is he?" "Don't you know he is the strongest beast on earth?" "Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." So, next, the bear looked from behind a tree and started running quickly into the dense forest because he was very afraid that time, and he told the dog that this part of the forest was ruled by the lion. and lion was the strongest and most powerful animal on the earth. The dog was surprised to hear this, and he immediately rushed towards the lion, and he immediately left the bear. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or to offend him in way. Offend means upset or annoyed, and the meaning of dared is to be brave enough to do something. So students, now the dog turned to the lion and requested him to be his master. The lion accepted, and the dog started staying with him and served him for longer duration. He felt good and enjoyed his life because he wanted a strongest beast in the earth, and he had nothing to fear and complain of. Now he was with the strongest master, and here no one was brave enough to upset him. So the dog was very happy in the company of lion. Para 9 is, but one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. "What is it, master? Is anything wrong?" asked the dog, surprised. "I smell a man coming this way," the lion said. "We would better run for it, or we will be in trouble." "Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." So, after some time, cliff means a steep or high rock. So, after some time later, when the two of them were strolling together, they were walking together side by side amidst high steep rocks. The lion stopped instantly. Suddenly he stopped. He roared aloud and struck the ground with his paw so intensely that a hole was formed there, because he was in very anger, and after that he was on back foot. Surprisingly, the dog asked his master if anything was wrong. The lion told him that a man was coming their way and that they must run away to save themselves. Hearing this, the dog bid him adieu, because he wanted the strongest being on the earth as his master. So he again said goodbye to the lion and went to a man. This is last para, and this para is saying, and off the dog went to join the man. He stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. So at the last, loyal means true and faithful. Now the dog went to be with the man. He stayed with him and became his true friend. This incident took place way back, but till then the dog is man's most faithful servant. So students, that was all about the story how the dog found himself a master. Let's revise one more time in a short summary. So this is story about in olden times dogs just like wolves were forest dweller, and they were bold, free, and were not afraid of anyone. They were their own masters. Then one day a dog who was sick and was scared of stronger animals. So what he did? He decided to look for a master who was the strongest on the earth. So to find his master, what he did? He began his search for first of all he met a big wolf, and when wolf was afraid from the bear, so he went to bear, and when bear was afraid to lion, he goes to lion, and very soon the dog immediately left him and went to the lion. The lion agreed to accept him as his servant. The dog lived with him happily for a long time, and as he enjoyed a secure and happy life the way he wanted. But after some time, the lion was the strongest animal in the forest. Once both of them were strolling amongst the rock on a narrow path. Suddenly, the lion saw a man and he asked the dog to run away with him to avoid any trouble. So, as soon as the dog realized that the man was the strongest creature on the earth, he said goodbye to the lion as well, and dog came to man as his servant and lived as a faithful servant to him then after. So students, that was all about this chapter. Let's see questions here. Working with the text. Discuss these questions in pairs before you write the answer. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Why did the dog feel a need for a master? So the answer is because he wanted a secure life and he don't want to search food for himself. Who did the first choose as his master? He first chose wolf as his master. And why did he leave that master? Because that master was got feared by a bear. And after that, third question, who did he choose next? So he chose next a bear. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? Because he was very satisfied in the company of lion, and according to dog, he wanted the strongest being on the earth as his master, and lion was one of them. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? He finally chose man as his master because he found him to be the strongest. So student, this is story of a summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks and complete it taking appropriate phrases from the box. This is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. Who used to be So students, read it once again. This is a story of a dog who used to be his own master, and he decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that lion was afraid of man. To this day, he remains man's best friend. So students, that was all about this chapter, how the dog found himself a master. We will discuss our next chapter in our next video. Till then, take care.